Hey everyone, this is Taylor here with Neville Motors taking you for a walk around this 2017 Buick Encore Essence all-wheel drive. This one came to us being a previous leased vehicle. It's only got about 7,500 miles on it. Being an Essence model, this one also comes with leather, the upgraded chrome rims. Again, this one, as you can see here, is all-wheel drive. This one's seen here in Summit White with a jet black interior. These are great vehicles if you're looking to be able to travel in it and really get great gas mileage. This is an all-wheel drive, so you are going to see still high 20s, maybe low 30s, depending on the day. In the back here, those seats do fold down, as well as that little cargo tray up top does go or come out, so you got a little more room. Open up the front door. You can see the leather jet black seats. Nice leather trim here on the door panels. There we are. This one also comes with a sunroof in it. Jump on in. There it goes. 74.81 for miles. Leather wrapped steering wheel. All your controls are right on here. Over on the screen now, take a look at this. There it goes. This one does have navigation built in, so all your maps and everything are right on there. You can see a little packet here. This also has projection, which is one of our most popular features that we like to talk about. This is going to give you the ability to link your phone right to the screen and actually share your Google Maps, Apple Maps, Spotify, Pandora, or your messaging apps right on. Down below here, there it goes. We've got our heated seats, as well as a heated steering wheel on this vehicle. Dual zone climate. And then your shifter right there. It's got the nice piano black, let's see if it focuses. Piano black trim on here, which is really nice. An auto dimming mirror. As well as this one comes with the safety package. You can see maybe right in the mirror there. It's going to have the lights so that in case a person is in your blind spot, you'll be able to definitely tell and it'll show a light. Now the other thing, if you can see in the window, now those aren't blinking, that's just the resolution of the camera. However, this does have LED daytime running lamps as well as LED headlights. So really a nice feature there. Let's take a look in the back seat. In the back, plenty of room for any guests in the back. It's not going to be, a primary, hey, let's put people in the back, but if you got kids or somebody small, this will work out great. I'm 5'11" and I can sit back here comfortably, no problems. These seats also fold flat. The bottom flips up and then the back goes down. Continental tires. Really a nice looking vehicle. If you or someone you know is interested in this 2017 Buick Encore, please feel free to reach out at 715-256-2900 or check out our website at nevillemotorsgm.com. Want to see more about other great vehicles? Feel free to check out our YouTube page for more walkarounds. Thanks.